In Africa, Nigerian music star Davido has revealed why he is yet to get married to his fiancée Chioma. We all have been hearing about Davido and his relationship with Chioma, and recently rumors have it that Davido and Chioma are in a very serious scandal of infidelity in their relationship. We know that the previous years, Davido, his songs, he included and featured with Chioma, buying her a good car and taking her to expensive restaurants, expensive places, spending on Chioma. They've actually been like a couple role model to every couple in the world. Now the question is, they've been dating for so long. What is actually happening that till now, Davido keeps postponing his wedding with Chioma? Davido has something to say, and he equally reacts to all the comments from his fans. His words are, "I personally, Davido, I have had my reasons why I have not been able to push up with our marriage plans. The first is coronavirus messed up plans for us, but it was meant to be in July last year, and I decided it will hold sometime this year. I want Chioma, my wife, to work on her business while I work on my album and she works on the kids." These are words from Davido, the 27-year-old artist and superstar signed under Sony Records in Nigeria. He reveals his intentions and says that early or later this year, his wedding with Chioma is going to hold. We are expecting, we are waiting, and we really cannot wait to see this celebrity marriage. And it's a talk on every social media page, every blogger. Everyone wants to see how this marriage unfolds. And moving to the Western news about entertainment, let's have another break. We'll be right back to take on. On the Western page, we have all about Rihanna, we have about Beyonce. Rihanna has been accused of cultural appropriation over religious pendant and depicting the Hindu god lord Ganesha. Rihanna, the 32-year-old young woman, and on a photo she released online, she gave us an outfit that no one could actually explain why Rihanna appeared like this, dressed and with a necklace that symbolizes a god in the Hindu. They call this god the god Lord, and the name is Ganesha. Everyone is like, even if Rihanna wants to talk about fashion, she has a fashion home, she's a superstar, but Rihanna should have respect for culture and should respect the Hindu god. The fans of Rihanna expressed their dissatisfaction and expressed their disappointment with and from this outfit and the necklace from Rihanna, and she appears almost naked. Now the question is this fashion? Was Rihanna's intentions actually just for fashion or to bring down this Hindu god Ganesha? We have reactions from her fans who say that, why is she wearing a Hindu idol on a semi-nude picture? Others say Rihanna wearing an Indian deity is not fashion and it's not even a trend. Another says it's about respecting the Indian community and not just about her crazy fantasies of fashion. Still on our foreign page, we have the Grammy Award 2021 performers unveiled finally. We know about the Grammy Awards, and every year we have a list of artists that are nominated to perform during this award. And not just long ago, these and the names of these artists were revealed about the Grammy Award 2021. The 63rd Annual Grammy Award will take place on the 14th of March, and performers on this award are, we have Billie Eilish, we have BTS, we have Doja, we have Dua Lipa, we have Cardi B, we have Taylor Swift, Post Malone, and more. These performances were confirmed on Sunday by Recording Studio. Still on our foreign page, artist Malan and Martel Durion, that is Beyonce's cousin, was reportedly found in his apartment dead. The 32-year-old rapper went silent for days. That called on the reaction of the neighbors, who immediately got to the police to report his silence. The police immediately got in, and neighbors helped the police to access his apartment, and in which he was actually found dead with a gun wound on his chest. Now, the problem is the issue is and question is, who actually shot this young rapper with a lot of bright future, and to let us know that Beyonce, no less, is actually seriously bereaved. His wife reacts by saying that, to me, I believe that the rapper was a very sweet and a very responsible man, and what he actually got was not what he deserves. We have information that the local police are said to be searching for a 21-year-old Sasha Scare as a suspect, with law enforcement encouraging anyone with information about this lady to come forward. Now, we take on another break, and when we come back, we get into our latest releases. Stay with us.